Hey there everyone, this is Lonna with Homes701 team. Together with Mike, we are here doing an open house at 102 East Edmonton. So I'm going to turn this around and give you a tour of the home. Okay, so we're starting on the main level here. Got beautiful windows. Most of the windows on this level have been updated. Here's the sliding doors out to the deck. Nice built-in by the fireplace. Beautiful new fireplace and tile area here with a nice mounted area for the TV. Primary suite is in here. It's a nice sized room. As you can see throughout, the wood floors have been taken care of very nicely. It's a one-owner home, so you can see that it's been loved. Here's the primary suite bathroom with a full bath, shower and tub, walk-in closet. Here we have a little extra storage closet. Take a look at those floors. Really nice. And here's the kitchen with granite counters. Nice appliances in great shape. And everything looking nice. And here we have a remodeled bathroom with dual sinks. Another full bath here, and a laundry room area with a lot of storage in a great convenient location. A little extra built in here. This is nice. Pull out trash. And here we have another bedroom on the main level. So you have main level living, which is great. Come upstairs and you have everything you need right here. And down the stairs to the spacious foyer. You have a closet here and out to the garage. This garage has everything in great shape. Was recently painted, has a door with access to the back. There's hot and cold water and a nice larger oversized door and a longer stall there, you can see. Back inside. This nice updated front door. And on downstairs, nice open area here. This area has been plumbed for a wet bar, so you can have a great area for entertaining. In here, we have a bedroom that can easily be converted into 2 bedrooms. So you have a closet at this end, and another closet at this end. See the nice built-ins? And right here is where you can easily put up a wall. Then you have your 2 doors to enter the room. And here we have the mechanical room with the furnace. Extra closet for storage here. A 3/4 bath. And here is another bedroom with a nice size and closet with daylight window. Here we have a couple of sconces to the hallway to the large bedroom that could be 2 bedrooms. And here is some nice understairs storage. So if you think that this place is for you, please give us a call.